The talk in the street, markets are increasingly pricing in a higher probability of a Fed rate cut as early as March. Our call of the day, Nifty is likely to reclaim an attempt to sustain above the psychological 26,000 mark. The positive catalyst, strong overnight cues from Wall Street with the Dow Jones scaling fresh record highs. What to watch? On Wednesday, investors will track whether Nifty and broader markets can extend gains after the recent tech and software stock sell-off, which had temporarily dented sentiment. Meanwhile, the US economic calendar is packed with key triggers. Wednesday's delayed January jobs report. Friday's all-important US CPI inflation data, key to shaping near-term Fed expectations and overall risk appetite. Long story short, Nifty may struggle for clear direction in Wednesday's trade, as this bullish market now needs fresh catalysts to extend the rally toward its all-time high of 26,373.20. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 70 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1174 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest consolidation play. Fan of February month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 11.66 levels. At last check, USD INR, February, was hovering near the 90.60 levels. Nifty PCR, 24th February, is at 1.18 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th February, is at 1.00. Nifty outlook. Nifty will aim to reclaim the psychological 26,000 mark on the backdrop of positive global cues plus in hopes of more FIIs buying. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5935. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,679 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 26,373 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,800 and 26,100. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 84274. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed only at 83,600 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 86,159 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 83,800 to 84,800. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 60626. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 60,251 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 61,765 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 60,361 to 00. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, Nifty, plus 0.26%, gained for the third straight day. The positive catalyst continues to be foreign institutional investors, FIIs, who have flipped back to be net buyers this February, to the tune of 5,558 crore rupees. Please note, Nifty had ringed a new all-time high at 26,373.20 on 5th January 2026. On the technical front, Nifty is now well above its 21-day to 5476, 50-day to 5791, the 100-day DMA at 25672 and the 200 DMA to 5270, moving averages. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Aurobindo Pharma, minus 5.98%, 1,132 rupees. Aurobindo Pharma shares slipped after the company reported a muted 8.4% YoY growth in revenue to 8,646 crore rupees, with down by softness in its key US market, which accounts for 43% of revenues and grew just 2% to 3,739 crore rupees. 2. BSE, plus 6.26%, 3,172 rupees. BSE jumps after blockbuster Q3 results. Shares of BSE surged after the exchange reported a stellar 174% YoY jump in consolidated net profit to 601.8 crore rupees, driven by a 62% rise in net revenue to 1,244 crore rupees in Q3 FY26, with EBITDA margin expanding sharply to 59% on strong operating leverage. Cash market volumes stood at 7,645 crore rupees, while index derivatives posted a record average daily premium turnover of 19,459 crore rupees, driven by strong traction in Sensex options. Meanwhile, BSE Star MF revenues rose 14% YoY to 72.5 crore rupees, with transactions up 21% to 21.7 crore, including a record 7.97 crore transactions in January 2026. 3. Seagull India, plus 3.51%, 296 rupees. Seagull India jumps after bagging 1,700 crore rupees solar project. Shares of Seagull India surged after the company received a letter of award, LOA, from Reva Ultra Mega Solar, Rumsel, for the development of Unit 1, 220 megawatts, at the Morena Solar Park in Madhya Pradesh, with an estimated project value of around 1,700 crore rupees. 4. Route Mobile, minus 1.51%, 577 rupees. Route Mobile slipped after the company reported an 18.5% year-on-year jump in consolidated net profit to 97.70 crore rupees in Q3 FY26, compared with 82.48 crore rupees in the year-ago quarter. However, revenue from operations declined 6.5% YoY to 1,107.06 crore rupees during the quarter. 5. Apollo Microsystems, minus 3%, 242 rupees and 65 paise. Apollo Microsystems slipped after it has reported a 40.62% year-on-year increase in consolidated net profit to 25.68 crore rupees in Q3 FY26, compared with 18.26 crore rupees in Q3 FY25. Revenue rose 69.96% to 252.22 crore rupees in Q3 FY26 from 148.39 crore rupees in the year-ago period. 6. Newland Labs, minus 3.17%, 13,450 rupees. Newland Labs slips after the company reported a steep 60.1% year-on-year decline in consolidated net profit to 40.57 crore rupees in Q3 FY26, compared with 101.59 crore rupees in the same quarter last year, even as revenue rose 10.5% YoY to 439.71 crore rupees.